All right, so we've got the Royal Brew. So this is to make some nitro cold brew coffee. So if you don't know about nitro cold brew, you definitely should because it's silky, it's smooth, it's delicious. I believe it's lower in acidity. I love it. So if you've never had it before, you absolutely should. But let's open this up and see what's inside the Royal Brew. So apologize, I'm not the greatest at opening packages over here. Here we go. We've got a nice little guidebook explaining kind of how everything works. We've got our cleaning brush, very important. Some hoses. Cool, like information. Yeah, let's open this up. What do we have here? So this is. If I knew how to make nitro cold brew, I'd probably be better at walking you through this. But instead, I'm just going to open everything and show it to you. That's, I believe this screws in there, and that's like our spigot. That's what we just opened there. Super cool. More cleaning brushes. Wow, this is a serious kit here. So I believe this is for the nitrogen will go in there. So what we're unpacking right now is this part. So it's the top. So you got all of our O-rings, very important when you're dealing with gases. So let's pop that out there. Wow, this is sturdy. You can tell this was like really high. This is really sturdy, high quality metal here. This is no joke. And then of course, more hoses. Now we have the most important part, the keg. Look at that beauty. Wow. Super cool. Look at that. That is beautiful. Established 1987. So this is awesome. I cannot wait to put all of this together and make some nitro cold brew coffee. I bet this is going to be absolutely delicious. It's a 2-liter capacity. I'm really excited. This is definitely going to be a huge crowd pleaser. I mean, you go to somebody's house and they're able to give you fresh cold brew coffee that's nitrogen infused. I mean, man, that's a real treat. I know a lot of people are really gonna enjoy enjoying this with me. So I hope they enjoy this as much as I do. Can't wait to put this all together and give it a shot. But I'll see you on the next one.